This is the Ultrasonic cleaning system from Packantech. Here we show you before and after video of stainless steel drying racks from a large jerky producer. Traditional cleaning of these racks was time-consuming and very manpower intensive. Each day, hundreds of these racks were cleaned by scrubbing and power washing, but not anymore. This company uses stainless steel racks and Teflon mats in their dehydrator to cure their jerky. With their new Packantech ultrasonic cleaning system, they can place dozens of racks or mats in the tank, start the system up, and walk away. No more scrubbing, no more power washing. It cleans faster and more efficiently than the manpower you employed in the past, saving you time and money. The system never calls in sick, never takes a vacation, or makes a disability claim. Now, employees are better utilized producing more product. Everyone, owner and employees, make more money. The ultrasonic signal breaks down the bond debris has formed on your processing components. We're using high-frequency vibration throughout your cleaning solution. Most parts can be cleaned with just water. You can regulate the temperature and the ultrasonic signal intensity to fine-tune the perfect cleaning formula for your specific components. Packantech's ultrasonic cleaning system can be almost any size and any configuration. This system was designed specifically for the customer's 48-inch by 30-inch drying racks. Packantech has brought the perfect cleaning solution to the food industry at a price which you can afford. The savings on manpower alone is amazing, but when you're able to increase production, watch out. You'll be amazed at how quickly it'll pay for itself. Visit our website, packantech.com, for more information. Thanks for watching.